In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Printify products to your Wix online store. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right into it. First, you need to have a Printify account. If you haven't set one up yet, head over to the Printify website and create an account. It's quite straightforward, just follow the prompts, and you'll be good to go. Once you have your account ready, log in to Printify. Now that you're in, it's time to browse through the catalog. Printify offers a huge selection of products to choose from, such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Take your time to explore different categories. Once you find a product you like, click on it to customize. You can upload your own designs, adjust colors, and even change sizes to match your vision. When you're happy with your design, click the Add to My Store button. You'll be prompted to choose which store you want to add this product to. Select your Wix store from the list. For those of you who don't have a Wix store linked yet, I'll explain how to do that shortly, so stick with me. After selecting your store, Printify will generate your product and store details. It's important to review everything closely now. Check your product title, description, and even the pricing settings. You want to make sure that all this information accurately reflects your brand and appeals to your potential customers. Once everything looks good, hit the Publish button. This will add the product directly to your Wix store. Great! But before you move on, we need to make sure everything is correctly pulled into Wix. So let's switch gears a little and talk about that connection. If you haven't linked your Printify account to Wix yet, no worries at all. It's super easy. Start by logging into your Wix account. From the Wix dashboard, click on Apps on the left side. Here you'll find the Wix App Marketplace. Search for Printify in the search bar at the top. When you find it, click on it, and then click the Add to Site button. You'll need to go through some prompts to connect your Printify account with your Wix store. Just follow the instructions that appear on your screen. After you authorize the connection between Printify and Wix, you're officially linked. Go back to your Printify account now, and any newly published products will automatically sync over to your Wix store. After syncing, you can go back to Wix and check the Store Products section in your dashboard. Here, you'll see all the Printify products that have been added. Click on any product to customize it further if needed, adjusting things like SEO settings and visibility options. Keep in mind that presentation is key. You might want to add some professional-looking images, catchy descriptions, or even customer reviews if you have them. All these little details can influence a customer's buying decision. Lastly, don't forget to set up your payment and shipping settings in Wix. Make sure to review your shipping rates to offer competitive options. Test out a purchase yourself to ensure all parts of the transaction work like a well-oiled machine. And there you have it. You've learned how to seamlessly add Printify products to your Wix store, creating a beautiful online shopping experience for your customers. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and I'm here to help. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing for more content on e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on your new Wix store with Printify.